The government of Jamaica has rolled out a $100 million support package to help banana and plantain farmers recover from extensive crop losses. The assistance comes after widespread damage caused by Hurricane Melissa last year.
Some 4,170 hectares of banana and plantain were damaged during the passage of Hurricane Melissa last year, impacting more than 7,000 farmers. This has resulted in a 93% decline in production of the crops. Addressing the Banana Board's Hurricane Melissa Recovery Program handover ceremony, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green said, based on the scale of the decline, the ministry had to intervene.
The structure that we had established in Hurricane buried, working together with the Banana Board, the ANRADA, and that structure served us well. We not only looked out for commercial farmers, we ensured that we reached the small farmers to get them back on their feet. And the ministry has allocated $100 million to support the rehabilitation of our most affected areas. As such, through that, 70 million of that is directed towards fertilizer vouchers, allowing farmers to access inputs that come from directly approved farm stores in your communities.
An additional $27 million will go towards procurement and distribution of bag fertilizers, and another $3 million to deal with the administration.
We will be providing significant support, and we know once you get that nutritional support, it will jumpstart your recovery.
But there's more.
The Banana Industry Catastrophe Fund has also provided targeted support, and that has already gone out, and farmers are already benefiting from that. Through that, 116 farmers will have got a fertilizer input valued at approximately $20 million.
In the meantime, the Agriculture Minister is warning against the importation of banana and plantains.
We can't afford that. And when I say I can't afford it, I mean literally from a biosecurity standpoint, because of the threat of disease, and because there are countries who are close to us that have things that we do not have, we can't run the risk of those things coming in here.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.